Hey, welcome back to Camping Panda. It's been a long time since I've done a video, but thinking today is a happy Hari Raya to all my Muslim friends also, a holiday. I'm going to do an unboxing on the spot, okay, from Ninja Van, as you can see, Ninja Van, and it is a knife, a fixed blade knife from bought locally. I will put the link below where I got this from. It's a CONDOR Bisonte, okay. Let's unbox first. Okay, nicely bubble wrap. Okay, local delivery. Yeah, I did not get it from overseas. Check out the link, the description below. CONDOR Bisonte. At least I think that's how they pronounce it. Okay, take a look around the box. Okay, the content of this package are very sharp and can cause injury. Please exercise care during unpacking. Okay, warning again. Very simple cardboard box. Okay, here we go. CONDOR. Okay, what do we have inside? Okay, literature with all the rest of the products from CONDOR description here. Okay, what attracted me to this is the sheath. Okay, CONDOR carbon steel. Oh, nice CONDOR sticker. Oh, this will go to my folding table, camping folding table. Okay, take a look. A belt loop ring. The way to check if it's real leather. Yep, real leather. It's not black, it seems like black on the website. It is actually tan brown, which is nice. It goes well with the handle. Okay, put the box aside, show you all the literature. Okay, here we have the knife itself. I'm not going to go into details about the description, the kind of knife it is, made out of what metal steel. There's a lot of YouTube videos already down there. But what I'm just sharing you today is just a unboxing and the first look at the knife itself. And it's very sharp. It's very sharp. Okay. Wooden handle, if I'm not wrong, brass rivet full tang. Oh, look at this, look at this. The lovely red colors line here. This is beautiful. Nice grip, nice grip. A good handle grip. Close up for some good shaving. Okay. With a bit of slight chopping, I can still have a bit of leverage here at the tail. Very nice. I don't think the back is sharp enough to strike any fire steel, but it could be easily rectified. Nonetheless, it has a fire steel holder here. So probably I'll get another fire steel which complement this with probably an angler or bone handle, maybe. See how it goes. Very nice sheath. This CONDOR logo there. Fixed belt ring. Is this clip? No. Rivet down. It's not clip, it's rivet down. So you have to put your belt through so you can clip it over. Okay. Very thick, very thick, very thick. Very thick leather. See? Okay. Full tang again. It has a good weight to it. Okay. Secure? Yep. It's not going anywhere. My scientific shake test. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Retrieve. A bit push. Okay, cool. I believe the leather will mold into its shape as times go as you wear it. Okay, so this is the new camping knife that I got for myself, other than the standard Mora bear grills, Gerber, all this. Maybe just to supplement this video, if you all saw, this is my carry, my everyday carry blade, from Leatherman. It's just a workhorse, multi-purpose. Okay, and just sharing with you maybe what I carry around in my everyday carry. Tag, junk bag, everything. I do have, okay, of course, a spare lighter, my medicated oil. I have a Leatherman. This is a Leatherman Squirt PS4. Okay, and behind, it already has a small blade, but behind I do have some duct tape and insulating tape. And behind also, as an additional carry knife, I do have a cut knife. Okay, so you just need to unzip it, fold it out, fold it, clip together here. So you have yourself a cutting tool, a cut knife. It is very thin blade, you can see. It's just basically for maybe cutting boxes, paper, tools, not tools, paper boxes, letter box, thread, and to lock it, you just need to fold this. It's been have this for quite some time already, so it's a bit hard. So you just need to fold it there. And it packs nicely into a cut. It could be in your wallet, but I don't want to have it inside a wallet because I do in Singapore itself. We do have cases like we need to go through some check, and it's quite sensitive. I remember losing it once because I went through a government agency office and it got confiscated. Okay, this is something that I have in my everyday carry pouch box in my bag. I got another tech pouch which is for my external drive, cables and things, and you always have a lot of thumb drive, okay, because I work remotely also. So I have here also a small opener knife. This one, it doesn't cover a lot because it's pretty small already. There's something just again for utility knife, you know, cutting again, thread, box, paracord, opening envelopes, cable ties, paper, stuff like that. Peanut. So for knife, those are my knife that I'm currently using. And camping, my normal go-to knife is Mora because it's quite robust and it's really quite a good workhorse. But coming videos in June when I go, there's no more camping. You can't camp in Singapore for now at the moment. If that's so, I do go for a day out / day camp. That's I'll be testing out this knife. I'll be carrying this knife along with me. Oh, I love this knife. Very nice. Okay, is it sharp? Let's take the box for a try. Well, it is. It's not oily. Some knife when it comes with, it does have a bit of oil already coated to prevent it from rusting. It is not oily, it's not coated. It doesn't seem like to be coated at all actually. Okay. Need to get a ferro rod. Okay, thank you for watching. This is just a quick unboxing video of a new toy I'm getting. And just to update, and many thanks for your patience that not a lot of video have been uploaded because I've been really quite busy. Coming June, I'll be doing a bit more. I'm actually today going out to get some gears to plan for some videos that I have in mind for June. Okay, hope you all just stay tuned with me, bear with me, and see you all a lot more.